开始。Add new plot map. Input the ground name. Confirm. And you choose the point. First point, boundary.
Add boundary point successfully.
Second.
Add boundary point successfully.
Third one.
Add boundary point successfully.
Okay.
Add boundary point successfully.
And save. No. Find the task. Okay. Share it. Input the task name. Done. Confirm. Publish task successfully. Okay. Start. Find the task. Okay. Check everything and start. 你不 check 一下这个 GPS good 了？
没到那时候。
哦。Confirm. Upload the mission.
它现在是都会显示的 GPS 磁碟盘什么的，都是正
Task
常的。
check everything is normal. GPS is good. Then you can slide. Slide 吧，开始啊。
起飞吗？
Return.
然后暂停。If you want to stop, you can
Auto at breakpoint state.
pass. Pass is you stop the plan, and you can continue. 继续。Continue.
En route.
Okay.
刚才
你
断点
说
的位置。
那个点。
对，断点的位置。
Auto. Mission start.
It will return to the breakpoint and continue the plan. So after you finish the plan, end. End 就是结束啊。
对。结束了。
Click end is finish and V 键返航。One key A button. Return to home automatically. It 自己下降好慢。